Okay, I might just play nothing. Or if I die in Squid Games, you guys need to don't subscribe. Or not. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, go. Maybe this is gonna be not a good stream. Because this is Squid Game. Squid Game is bad. I don't know when Squid Game America's gonna come out, but I'm just gonna play. Oh, how do I have a baseball bat? How do I have a baseball bat? Why do I have a baseball bat? Why do I have a baseball? Yo. Hey. I don't have anyone to invite. I'll be a guard. Okay. Yeah, I gotta invite anyone. Okay. How long are we gonna be done? Bro! Bro, this isn't insane. Please, can you see? He's insane. Yeah. That's it. For how long are we gonna get out of this room? Bro! 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 Get out! Yo, dude! How long are we gonna get out? No way, dude. I want to get out of this room! Oh, okay, we're getting out. Oh, so we're gonna fight the guards, huh? Or not? Push? That's how you push? Okay. Player! No! Fine. Player. Welcome to the Squid Game. Okay. Oh, excuse me. I go. Save everyone. Yo, please don't die. Yo, if I die once, I'm gonna end my live stream. I'm gonna end my live stream. With this too red enough. If I don't find exit, I might just die to the guards, dude. Yo, it's out of stock. No. No. 7. 167. But not time for jokes. I need to find the exit. Right now, dude. Not joke time. Time to find an exit. Dead end. Need to get out of this place. Yo, dude. No way. Yo, I'm gonna end my live stream. Yo, I'm gonna end my live stream if I don't find. I'm gonna end my live stream. Yo, if I die, I'm gonna end my live stream. Okay, I'm really gonna die, dude. Finally! 10, 9, 8, 7. I die. Time's up. Yo. Okay. What is this game? No! Okay. No! Okay.